Come on, darling, time for cleaning. Come on, have a clean. Good boy. Come on then. Time for cleaning. Good boy. Now, this is the Hoover. Yes, you know what we do with the Hoover. First we get the floor. There we go. Come on then, do it on your tummy. Good boy. So nice. No. No, we have to hoover your tummy first. No, alright, inside your mouth. We go to the dentist for that. But let me hoover your tummy. Come on then. Come on. What should we do? Back. Good boy. So nice. Let's get those fleas out. Oh, good boy. And round there. And down there. Right, do a bit of hard suction now. Come on then. Let's turn it around, shall we? Get the other side on. I know you like this one better. Give it a good old suction. Oh, listen to that suction go.